actual video itself. The fact that there's a small little time jump between like 11:59 p.m. to midnight, and it seems very, very odd. What we've heard from Pam Bondi and the Trump administration, they basically said that the video, like these video cameras, surveillance video cameras are very old, and around 11:58 p.m. they shut down and turned back on at midnight. And that didn't really sit very well with a lot of us. All of us are side-eyeing this situation and wondering, are they telling the truth? And in fact, they even said, we'll make sure to give you guys the full video. The full video, you'll see it, all that stuff, right? Which doesn't make any sense, because if you really think about it, the video that they initially first put out should have been the full video, right? Well, now we're getting new information. This is bombshell information. I didn't even know that this was going to be on the docket for today, or even on my bingo card for the month. But let's be real, this is some very interesting stuff. Now they're saying that there is no missing minute. The minute that they say that, these are old 1990s archaic video cameras, surveillance cameras that shut off at a certain time every single night, in fact, that is a bold, mother-loving lie. Now they're saying that there is no missing minute. And that now they're saying even further that these two videos that we're seeing are two completely different clips from two completely different days, y'all. That is absolutely insane. And if they are absolutely correct, because they said they have some experts that went through all the stuff.
Hey. Hey.
Is this something that you two have talked about? Well, she just had asked me about marriage and types of couples that there are. But maybe you overheard Polly saying this, and realized Caitlin had honestly
Very disappointing. I mean, the first bite, that was it.